Okay, so this is my little pet project here. It's actually a variable speed motor drive, Allen Bradley PowerFlex 4. I've actually hooked it up to a 1/3 horse 3-phase induction motor. Basically how this works is I've got right in here, I don't have it plugged in, by the way. It's a good way to kill yourself. Anyways, right down here, this is your single-phase input, your hot and neutral, and then you've got your ground wire. I think that's neutral, I'm not sure. And then right here you have your 3-phase. Obviously I don't have this wired to code, but just temporary. This is L1, L2, L3, and that just goes straight into the motor here. And in the motor I have them, I won't go into the details, but I've got it. These are all hooked up to the motor drive, and then I have leads 4, 5, and 6 tied. And so yeah, and then I have it obviously ground to the motor. I have, this is actually jumpered right here from 1 to 11, and that's just to facilitate it operating on the keypad. Now, let me just plug this back in here. Kind of tricky to plug in. Now, anyways, basically how this works is you'll plug her in. By the way, just a disclaimer, if you screw with 220 and get killed, it's not my fault, because this shit hurts. So basically it'll come up with a 0.0. That's, right now I have it on Hertz indication, and I have my potentiometer active there, so let's push the on button. Oh wait, no, I've got on volts. So pretty much this is your reading of how many volts are in there. Turn it up. So I'm reading about 160 volts. It's only when you really crank it, it's going to give you 208.6. Now, if I go in here, I can actually select D001, which will give me the Hertz value. Now this motor is actually rated to run 60 Hertz. Now that's going to give me approximately 700 or 1700 RPM roundabout. Now I actually have it rigged to run 120 Hertz and a soft start, obviously. Now the cool thing here is you can soft start in reverse too. So you can reverse it. You look here. Now it'll go the other way. It's kind of moving around everywhere. And just so you know, I am running this motor at double speed. It's not going to hurt it. I mean, all it is in here is just a little iron rotor in there. I'll stop it. I mean, it's just a little iron rotor in there. It's not like it's going to hurt anything. I actually, I tried running it up to 240, but I got to 200 Hertz, and I said I didn't like this, so I kind of quit. So I'll just bring that down. But yeah, that's basically how it works. In the reversing, you can really run it at any speed you want. It doesn't have too much power around right here, but it's still a pretty good bit. Kind of hard to stop, but just turn it up. And if you want to reverse it, I'll just turn it down here. To reverse it, it's pretty cool. It's like the ultimate nerd toy. So anyways, I'm gonna just unplug it there. This is going into, that's my dad's V65. Bigger, faster, and scarier than my bike. actually has a lot to do with this. Now this is a Thunderbolt chopper out of 1000. What I'm going to use that motor for is it's actually a rotator motor, and there's just the rest of the parts of the Thunderbolt down there. I got the icky nasty motor windings right there. I got to do something with them. I don't know what I'm going to do. And then this is actually just a brush holder for the rotator, and I actually have all the other parts of it outside. Probably won't be able to see it, but they're, if you can see that, they're actually sitting out there in the snow. Zoom in a little bit. Figure I'm going to do enough rust removal on them anyways. I'm going to not really care about the snow. Whoa! So, yeah. And yes, my garage is in a state of madness. There's the V65, there's my friend's motorcycle tank, there's the MG, there's the other motorcycle tank. Yeah, so. But, oh well, we'll get her done.